All right, guys, so I just got this bottle warmer, this water and milk warmer. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so love this. It got a little, this is a funky bottle. Kind of gives me the Jetsons vibe, if you old enough to remember that cartoon. But yeah, so the way, this is the open button. It opens this top right here. If it's on the lock mode, which is right here, it won't open, but if you click it, open right up. Okay, love that. Really easy and simple and easy to maneuver. It comes with these loops right here on either side, and this came like not attached. So, but it's easy to attach and detach if you want to take it off. If you want to keep it on, or if you want to put it on, it's fairly simple to do. Boom, boom. So if you open it up right here, bam, nice and simple, easy to use. You just put your contents, your water or your milk inside here, and you close it up. And then obviously there's a charger on this side. It comes with a charger with a base. Love it, love it, love it. It also has a cleaner that comes with it, so you can clean the contents of the bottle. So I love that too. So here, you obviously got your power button, your plus button, and your minus button. So you press and hold for 1.5 seconds for it to cut on, and then you once it's on, you can press and hold it again for standby mode if you want to see the temperature, the set temperature. So if you press and hold the plus or the minus button while it's on, it'll move 1 degree up or 1 degree down, depending on which button you press. If you do a short press, it'll move up or down to the preset modes. So that's important to note. If you want to put the child safety lock on, which is really, really great, especially if you have a moving toddler that moves around and like to put their hands on stuff, you press these to the plus and minus button at the same time and you hold it, and then it'll go to child lock mode and you do the same thing to turn child lock off. Now, if you want to go into sterilization / pasteurization mode, what you do is you got to go to standby mode. So you follow the instructions to go to standby mode, and then you press and hold the plus button for a few seconds, and it'll go into sterilization mode, and you'll know that because it'll display a higher temperature. I think 149. So yeah, guys, I love this. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. It has everything you need in a bottle warmer, and nothing that you really don't need. And so, yeah, highly recommend, guys. Peace.